Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your gaze and calming the body. This primes the sensory channels for subtle perception. Hold steady eye focus for 30 to 60 seconds while practicing breath timing to center your awareness. Once done, adopt a neutral posture that supports long holds without strain. You do this so visual clarity and inner calm converge. That combination creates the baseline for the layered perception you will build. Make sure to stay relaxed to avoid tension that blurs the effect. You now add complexity by training layered perception. Start sweeping your periphery 5 times each side to widen input. Once done, mentally tag moving objects with simple markers, speed, direction, intensity, because labeling converts raw sight into actionable data. Make sure to insert small, controlled micro-adjustments every 1 to 2 seconds so your tracking remains precise rather than static. This stage creates the continuous feedback loop between eye, mind, and posture that the technique relies on for stable, infinite rhythm. You perform the full sequence by blending your steady gaze, mental tags, and micro-adjustments into one continuous flow for about 60 seconds. Keep the breath cadence to sustain focus and alter intensity in small half-step increments to prevent overload. Once complete, gradually relax to avoid abrupt loss of awareness. If things go wrong and distraction breaks the loop, stop, take 3 deep cleansing breaths, then run a single peripheral recalibration sweep to regain synchronization before you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.